We've all been there. You're hosting a holiday dinner and realize you have 5 pots but only 4 burners. Or maybe you're living in a studio apartment where the kitchen is more of a suggestion than a reality. Sometimes, you just want to cook a quick meal without heating up the entire house. That's where the Elite Gourmet Slim Portable Induction Cooktop becomes your new best friend. At just 2 inches thick, this isn't some clunky camping stove. It's a sleek, ultra-slim burner that looks just as good on a modern countertop as it does in an RV or a dorm room. Because it's induction, it uses magnetic technology to heat the pan directly, not the surface. This means it boils water incredibly fast and stays cool to the touch, a total lifesaver if you have curious pets or kids running around. You get total control with 10 power levels and a massive temperature range from 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 465 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you need a gentle simmer for a delicate sauce or a high-heat sear for a steak, the digital touch controls make it effortless. It even includes a 99-minute timer and a child lock for extra peace of mind. When you're done, it's so slim you can just slide it into a drawer or a cabinet, reclaiming your counter space instantly. Click the link below for the best price and upgrade your cooking setup today.